Okay, we can start. Okay, Reni ma'am, we can start now. Hello, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ma'am is there? Yes, ma'am, now you can start. You're on mute. Ma'am, you're on mute.
Okay. Is it okay now? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, you are. Let's start.
Okay. Good enough. Okay. So these are the two cue cards in
Ma'am,
front of you.
request you to please tell them about few things about like the first, second, and third, like the speaking session, like how it happens, because few of the people are new. Okay, so just a
Okay.
short version of it. Okay, yes.
Okay. So, okay. I thought everybody's aware of that, right? I just also asked somebody to tell me about the parameters, but nobody stood up. Okay, I'll tell you the same. Okay. First of all, the speaking session is a one-to-one conversation between the examiner and you, right? So the examiner would be sitting across you and would be asking you few questions, right? So the entire session of speaking is winded up between 12 to 14 minutes. It starts with the basic questions, the introduction. They can ask you something about your work experience, your education, your family background, and some general questions. General questions could be like something about your leisure time. What do you like to do in your leisure time? Right? Or about time management. Right? How do you manage your time? When do you think it is appropriate to manage your time? Right? Or when do you think is most needed to manage your time? Few initial questions, right? Followed by cue card. Cue card, a topic would be given to you, right? Wherein you have to speak for 2 minutes. 1 minute would be your preparation time. Note wherein scribble few don't write, right? It's totally optional. That 1 minute should be really strong. The brainstorming has to be really strong that time, right? In that 1 minute, you are going to write down quickly, hurriedly, you're going to write down some notes related to that topic. I'll just give you an example. For example, your cue card is a recent wedding which you attended, right? Questions could be, further questions could be where it was, when it was, whom you met there, and right? You went to a wedding to Goa. So you can hurriedly write Goa, destination wedding, whom you met their friends and relatives. In short, you need not write complete sentences because in 1 minute you will not have that much of time. Right? After that, you need to speak for 2 minutes on the same topic. Right? Third part of speaking is, as you can see, cross questioning. You will have a discussion with the examiner based on themes connected to the topic given in part 2. And that would be an extended one. Extended one means you need to give lengthy answers there, right? As compared to part 1, where you would be asked only the background questions, right? Questions based on the topic given in part 2, like I gave you an example, the wedding. They can ask you extended questions related to relations and weddings. The questions could be, for example, how do weddings take place in your country or in your culture? What are the prerequisites before getting married, right? And few other things related to relations, right? After this thing, let me tell you few things which you need to be very careful of. Initial things are your body posture. Obviously, you need not lean like this or that over there, right? You have to maintain eye contact with the examiner, right? Lexical resource is important, your related vocabulary, right? 4 to 5 words of related vocabulary. For example, you can see here, if the question is on hometown, you can use words native place, hail from. Okay. Downtown, irrigation, wells. What is it famous for? Irrigation, wells, farms, renowned. Renowned means famous, right? And metal road. Education, if they're asking about education, education system, goals, background, literacy, learning strategies, formal and non-formal education, basic, primary, secondary. There's a lot to say about that, right? So you should use the words related to the topic being asked of, out of you. You don't have to beat behind the bush there, right? Your fluency, pronunciation, body language, all this comes into account, right? So you would be given your band score based on all these parameters, right? Okay, so we can start with the cue card.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, you can please share the screen.
Okay, I think it's visible to everyone. Is it visible to you? Okay, is it visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, let's prepare for one
Yes, sir.
minute and then there would be 2 minutes to speak about it. And ma'am would be randomly asking you. Okay, requesting everyone to keep your cameras on the full screen mode. Particularly Rohan, I will not be requesting you again. Please, Prachi, you also. Okay, I think we can start.
Yes. Okay. Is everybody done? Okay, who's going to speak first? Please speak up. See, speaking is an interactive session, right? Please speak up. Okay, who's going to start first? Am I audible?
Yes, you
Yes,
are.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. Saurabh, sir, you will speak up?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, sure.
Okay, please.
Uh,
Which
may I
topic?
start?
Yes, please. Which topic?
Second one. I understand about the movie that made me laugh.
Okay,
Okay.
so your time
Uh,
starts now.
Ma'am, I am describing about the movie that made me laugh. The name of the movie is Malamal Vijay. Actually, I'm not a fond of movies nowadays, but in my school time, I usually like to watch movies. So, as I remember, that is the day of the Saturday night, and I am watching a movie. The movie name is Malamal Weekly. Uh, the movie name is Malamal Weekly, and I am watching this movie with my
You
siblings.
are
The concept of
repeating. You said it thrice. I am watching a movie Malamal Weekly. I am watching a movie Malamal Weekly. Please, everybody, you have to avoid repetition, right? And it's not I am watching. Describe a movie or a film that made you laugh, right? When did you watch it? Who you watched it with? So it's past tense. You are not watching it right now. You watched it, you can say probably a year back, right? Okay, please start.
ma'am, may I start from the beginning?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I'm describing about a movie that I watched and that made me laugh. The name of the movie is Malamal Weekly. I'm
Okay.
watching. I watched that movie with my siblings. As I remember, that is a Saturday night, and I watched that movie in my television in Doordarshan channel. So the movie is on the basis of comedy theme, and the main character and the main star cast of the movie is Paresh Rawal, Om Puri, and Ritesh Deshmukh, and many other good actors and actresses is on the movie. The movie belongs to the story of the movie belongs to a village which is very poor, and mostly most of the people they are just running behind the money. So they got a chance to get the money from a lottery ticket. So a person who is in the movie name is Anthony, and he got the lottery. So got a
Okay.
lottery.
That is it. They are not asking you too much. We are going to too much depth of the movie and you're getting stuck a lot, fumbling a lot. Right? And again, watch the movie, right? So you can say, I watched this movie for the first time. You can mention the time when you watched it a year back, right? With your siblings. And we laughed hysterically throughout. And later I watched it many times again, right? Few words which are associated with this. I'm just writing on the chat window. You can all see, please. Blockbuster. This is called related vocabulary, right?
Oh,
It's a blockbuster movie. It has an amazing storyline. Also, presence of celebrities, like you can mention their names, right? When you're going to the storyline, you can say it revolves around so and so story, but keep it short, right? Because then
okay.
again, you have to include all the things in that 2 minutes, right? There are few scenes where you won't be able to control laughing, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
that's the reason you recall. What is the meaning of recall? You
Remember.
still recall those scenes, yes. Right? Okay, let's see who is next.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Kanika ma'am, you speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Ma'am, I have written about the good news, receiving a good news.
Okay, please start. Your time starts.
So, we all like to hear good news, whether it's by phone or in person or by mail. So, I got my good news when I felt it was the time in 2014 when I got a job offer from the hospital that I have applied. After completing my course in nutrition, I applied to various places, but then it took a very long time to get the job what I wanted. So they were offering me my kind of job, and
Okay.
I got this news from the HR of the hospital, and
Okay.
it took me a month to get this call after applying at the hospital. And I was happy as I finally found my type of job. Then I'm ready. It was good because I finally felt proud of myself.
Okay. What it was, who told you, when, how you felt, feeling has to be expressed, right? Not just happy or sad. These are really simple words, right? Also, you can start by the background thing, right? I would take this opportunity to talk about the good news I received when you received, right? So, how you felt? You were overwhelmed. That is extremely happy. There is a phrase called over the moon. I was over the moon as it was much awaited. You said it, I was waiting since long. The word is much awaited, right? You need to use some lexical resource. Find that missing in your speaking, right? Because see, the question already says, why do you think it was good? So you have to use while speaking, right? Okay. Who is the next one to speak? Deepika ma'am?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I have
Okay.
chosen the first one. Describe a time when you received good news.
Okay. The same. Okay. Please start.
So, there are a lot of times when I have received a number of good news in my entire life. But I would like to take this opportunity to specify that one good news which I have received that has kept me thrilled and overwhelmed till now. It was in my early childhood. I was always in a boarding school. I studied in a boarding school, and
Okay.
there was a norm in my school that every first Sunday of the month, our parents were supposed to come and visit us. So, as it was the month of February, again, I was waiting for my parents to come. But as I was looking from the distance, I saw just my mother coming from there, and I was, for a time, I was wondering that, like, I'm not able to see my father. Where is my father right now? So as my mom was coming closer, I thought my father would give me a surprise. But then my mother came to me, I hugged her, and I expressed my joy to see her. But I was waiting for her to tell me that where my father is. So my mother said, and she informed me that my father has left for abroad for for a good mission, and I was so excited, I was so thrilled, and I was so overwhelmed to hear it. Besides, I was sad that I would not be able to see him for a few years, but again, as it was a good news for our family, I was excited to know that my father has gone abroad and
Okay.
now he could live a life that we have
Yes,
dreamt.
okay, but you have used the words also. But here, ma'am, the question is good news. Here you are more talking about the surprise which you got one to one, right? Because you were looking for your mother and your father was also there. Is that you mentioned? If
No,
I'm
no,
right?
no, no. I said I saw my mother coming, but I didn't saw my father because my mother had brought me the good news that my father has went abroad.
Okay, then your background thing has been extended so much that by the time you come to the point, good news,
Yeah.
right? So your 2 minutes will go by. Please be very careful. So keep it short.
Mm,
This thing, the words are okay, which I just told you, overwhelmed, right? You were overwhelmed or over the moon. You were thrilled, right?
mm.
You have to form it within 2 minutes, right? Because I was
Right.
still
Right.
waiting for you to come to the point. And by the time the 2 minutes just went by, right?
Hmm. Right.
Okay. We're little particular about this thing, about the time management also.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. Prachi ma'am? Yes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are. Okay.
Okay, okay. So I would like to tell you about the good news that I received very recently. It has only been a few months. It was about my family members recovering from COVID, all of them.
Okay.
So it's especially about my grandmother. She was having a hard time with her health. It was the worst case for her, the worst scenario. And my grandfather told me about the news, and I was really happy about it. And I got to know it in April, just before her birthday. So that was really good. I felt really happy that she'd be able to celebrate her birthday, and I was really made me feel good.
Okay. You're speaking less, much less than the time,
Yeah,
right?
but
I'm also
yeah,
happy, happy, happy. Why is everybody saying I was happy? I was happy. Everybody knows that. Obviously, it's a good news. So you must be feeling good or happy. I've written another word on the chat window, overjoyed. Who told you the news, right? When you knew it, how you felt about it. So the feeling is not being expressed much here, right? Okay, please be careful. Okay, who is next? Kanika
Me,
ma'am? Okay,
Rohan.
your name, please?
Rohan.
Okay, Rohan. Okay, please go ahead.
I've chosen the second topic.
Okay, second one. Movie.
So I've
Go
been
ahead.
moving. Hello,
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
am I audible?
Yes, you are.
So I've watched a lot of movies lately, and one of the movies I would like to tell about is its name is Johnny English. It is played by the main character is played by one of the legendary actors in the world, Atkinson. I watched it. I watched this movie when the whole Corona pandemic was about to start. When I was in my village, I watched it with my brother. Some of his friends suggested him this movie to suggested him to watch it, and he told me to like watch it with him. I watched it on my laptop, and it made me laugh. There is one scene that made me so laugh. There were all the silly things that got me laughing. The one scene was that the main protagonist of this movie was chasing someone, and there was a little bit of fight. The negative character of the movie was showing all of his kung fu moves, but all what the main character did was just one punch, and that made me laugh.
Okay, this is okay, but you are getting stuck a lot. I constantly hear this thing in your speaking, right? So you have to please work for it. Yes, and nobody's mentioning the words I've already written. Blockbuster, storyline, revolves around, highlights, right? I'm writing highlights, mischievous. What is another word for laugh or a comedy movie? What is another word? Comic. I didn't hear it from any of you, right? Okay, let's see who is next.
Ma'am, Jyotika.
Okay, please start. Which topic?
The second topic, the movie that made me laugh.
Okay,
Movies are always fun. Movies are always fun to watch and good idea to spend time with my family and friends. The movie made me laugh was Despicable. It was a Hollywood animated movie, and I watched it with my friends in my college days in theaters. The creatures in it made me laugh was a yellow creature. There's a new kind of cartoons which I ever seen before, and their language is very different. Whenever they deliver the dialogue, they dance and sing with their own. So their actions,
On their own,
their
not on their own. They dance and sing on their own.
on their own.
Okay.
So that yellow creatures are called minions. So they made me oh, very much to say
Getting stuck,
yes.
right? It got me thrilled, right?
It got me thrilled. Yes,
Yes.
it got me thrilled or made me laugh
Yes.
again.
Or
Yeah, I can use it.
yes. Laugh hysterically throughout. I
So
like the
when
word. You're getting stuck a lot.
sorry, ma'am.
Getting stuck a lot.
Yes,
Laugh hysterically throughout
yes, ma'am.
the movie. Now, it's a renowned movie. You all can use this word, renowned, blockbuster. I've
Yes,
already
ma'am.
told you. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Related vocabulary has to be there. Okay. Who is left now? Hello? Yes, all of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good enough. Okay. Yes, sir. Can we move ahead? Hello?
Okay.
Yes. Sir, I've written some lexical resource in the chat window.
Okay. You want to put those lexical resources? Oh
Yes.
yes, I see.
I
Laugh
have given
history.
the I have given the feedback to each one of them. The common problem is the repetition of words and using simple words like happy, good, right? So there are more words like overwhelmed, over the moon, much awaited, overjoyed,
Okay,
right? So I have written those lexical resource. Okay.
that's good. So are we done with all of us? I mean, all of
Yes.
those
Yes.
candidates.
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes.
we are changing the cue cards.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing the window. Okay, is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start then.
Yes, sir.
Now, requesting everyone, please switch on your cameras. What's wrong with you people? I mean, this is a live session. This is a speaking session. Requesting each one of you to please switch on your cameras. And
Right.
Rini ma'am, I would request you to go through a discussion. I would rather say because everybody is sleeping in the session. So let's switch over to a group discussion. Okay, for time being. Okay, so shall we do a group discussion?
Yes. Yes. I want everybody to
Okay,
please participate equally.
okay, let's start a group discussion.
Okay. You can please share
Okay,
the
so the
topic.
topic. Yes, I'm sharing a topic here. Just a minute. Okay, let's talk about work-life balance. Okay, so it's a casual group discussion among everyone. So anybody can speak about your thoughts. Okay, it is not about like you're taking a side for and against something like that. It is not like that. It is just a casual discussion among all of us. Okay, so let's warm up the I would say the room, and let's then do the other part of it. Okay, okay. Requesting everyone, please start.
Okay.
Anybody can start anytime. There's no.
Yes.
I mean, you don't have to wait for anyone else to come up. Let's start.
Yes.
Okay, so work-life balance. What do you mean by that? Anybody can explain that?
Please speak up.
Come on, people. Come on. Let's start.
So it
Anybody can.
means like not working too much or not working less. There should be a balance between work life, like working with like 8 hours or maybe like not more than 10 hours. Maintaining a balance so it will benefit both the social life and the work life.
Okay, that's good. What about Saurabh? Saurabh, what do you think?
So it is a very difficult part of our life to balance between the work and the life.
Okay, okay. So how it is difficult? I mean, what we can do to support this? I mean, what we can do to bring the life back to I mean, in order, and there should be a work-life balance. What do you think? How we can do that? Jyotika, what do you think? Kanika, what's your opinion?
So, firstly, I would say in the case of females, it is somewhat difficult managing work and family both at the same time.
Okay,
So, for that, at least the family members could help the female in daily chores, activities, etc. And
very good.
Also, these days, various companies are employing techniques such as flexible timings, multiple shifts,
Yes,
remote working, wherein you can maintain that work-life balance. Right? Anybody else?
yes, and
Ma'am,
by
but
the
it
way,
is not. It's not
why
happening
this
Please
in
tell
all
me
the
work-life
fields.
something.
work-life balance actually deserves? What are the reasons? Saurabh can tell us better, I believe. Yes, Saurabh. Why this
How
gets
can I tell
disturbed?
better?
Why this gets disturbed? Why? Because
It
we.
is very difficult thing to balance between the work and life because nowadays I am very much struggling about this. I
Okay,
wake at 6 a.m. and then went to the office at 9, then came back to the 5. After that, I feel that last night I unable to sleep, so I have to sleep again. Then I sleep again. So
okay,
like that, it's very difficult for me nowadays.
okay. Actually, you
Okay.
work in a prominent hospital of Delhi. That's why it is happening with you.
Yes,
The
sir.
frontline health worker. That's why. Okay. What about Jyotika? What do you think about it?
So work-life balance is very much important in our lives because it maintains the mental health as well as our physical health.
Okay,
If we work properly in our lives, like work hours should be proper in our lives, so it will
okay,
maintain our mental
okay.
Okay.
Second,
What are
health.
proper working hours according to you?
Proper working hours, yes.
Okay.
Should be a
Tips,
What it
specific
can be?
work,
tips,
Okay.
what do you think?
like a
Yes, you can talk.
like only 6 hours in a day.
Okay. So, do you think you would be able to manage the home with 6 hours of working, right? Is that so?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes.
Anybody have to say on this? Anybody?
Kanika, what
Um,
do you
like not everybody can change their schedule time of working. It depends on the post that you're working in a company. Like the people working under someone have to work more hours because they are paid for their hours, and the people like CEO and they are paid for their values. So it becomes easy for them, though they also have a lot of pressure to handle, like managing a big company. But it's not like that. Like everyone can make a balance, but at least they should not take too much stress about it.
Yes. Yes. So, what are the consequences of stress due to work-life balance? What is the result? What is the consequence of stress?
Health disorders.
depression, anxiety,
Sometimes physical illness and mental illness.
Yes.
Both are the consequences of it.
emotionally,
Yes.
But
mental
sometimes
illness.
it disturb your marital life and family life too.
Become too much
Yes. So
stress
these days,
affects both the things, both the factors
yes.
like work life and social life.
Okay,
Yes. And these days,
Dr. Deepika, Deepika, are you there? Deepika,
Yes, sir. Yeah,
what,
yes, sir.
your camera is not
Sir, I think, yeah.
okay.
Sorry, sir.
Your camera is not working. I know that you told me. Okay, then also you can speak.
Yeah, sir. Actually, according in my opinion, I think that nowadays there has been a lot of pressure on the employees who are working, and so because of that pressure, people are not able to handle their, as Jyotika mentioned, that people are not able to handle their mental health, and because of which their physical health is affected in somewhat area of the other. So accordingly, if the things are managed properly, I think the health will be at a good point. Also, I would also like to mention that if the government takes a step and it builds a norm, and there should be working hours, working days from Monday to Friday, and if Saturday and Sunday would be off like abroad, they just work for 5 days, that is from Monday to Friday, and Saturday Sunday is off for everyone, the employees, they can spend time with their family. So likewise, if the same thing happens in our country, I think there would be a lot of relief from the work pressure, and people will be able to enjoy their life, social life, their family life, and also their health at the same time.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now I think the discussion has come to an end. Now let's move on to the this cue card and let's plan for this. So you have 1 minute, people. You can look towards this cue card which is there in front of you. Now, ma'am would be discussing about this after 2 minutes. So after 2 minutes, Rainy ma'am would be again be asking you the same things. So let's buckle up ourselves and let's start. Okay, you have 1 minute. The time starts now.
time starts now.
Okay, requesting Saurabh to please start.
Why always me?
Anyone? Any of those tutors?
Sir, I am describing about the family member whom I want to spend most of the time.
Okay.
So the person is my grandfather, with whom I want to spend my most of the time. Uh, Whenever we are together, that we usually share our past experience. And most of the time, my grandfather told me several stories of his past life, and I get so much of the information and so much of knowledge from his past life that he's sharing his past experience to me. So he's an introvert, sorry, he's an extrovert type of personality, which is having a very much big social life. Actually, we can call them. He's a very gregarious person who's usually spend their time on the society. And the most of the important thing which I like in my father that he's a very optimistic person. He's always having a broad vision towards the life and towards the peoples. So these are the things which I like in my grandfather, and that's why I want to spend more and more time with my grandfathers. Uh,
Okay, that was good. Okay. Okay, requesting Deepika to please start.
Okay, so well, I spend my time with all of my family members. I love them all, but the person in my family whom I love to spend my time the most is my sister.
okay.
She's of my age, and as we have heard this saying that birds of same feathers they flock together. So I think
Good.
yes, we both are the birds of same feather because I can prove it by because I know that we flock together. Here, she's like a friend to me. Though she's my sister, but she's also my friend. We have been closer. We have been close to each other since my childhood, and we both are so fond of writing. And in our early school days, I still remember that we used to write poetries, we used to write essays, and we used to write storylines. So she have different thoughts, I have different thoughts, and but we when we end up merging both the thoughts, we land on the same page. And that is something which I like the most about us, because when it's her and me together, I believe that we are one. So she's a person who is thoughtful. She's a person, you can say that she's too creative. And if I talk about her personality, I would say that she is a go-getter. Whatever she wants in her life, she would do anything for it. She would work hard for it until she achieves it. So yeah, that's how I say that she's the one whom like to spend the most of my time with, because we both are of same character, we both are of same nature, we both share the same thoughts, and that's why she's the one whom I spend the most of my time with.
Okay, that was good. Perfect. Now moving on to Rohan. Now we are not giving you feedback because we are running short of time. Okay. And now Rohan, it's your turn.
Yes, sir. Sir, I've chosen the first topic.
Okay, please
Hello.
start. Okay, Rohan, please start.
So since the COVID pandemic is there, and I have nothing to do mostly, so most of the time I spend my most of the time I spend is at home with my elder
Okay.
brother. What we usually do is like watching movies. We exercise a lot, uh,
Okay.
and we also do some family work if he's there. He's a very generous person. He always shares his things with me. He's very supportive, and whenever I'm in trouble, he acts as a helping hand. And since I have completed my 12th and I'm awaiting for the class 12th result, and he also has online classes, so that is the reason why we spend most of the time together.
You can say we spend quality time together. If you are talking about a family member, right? So we spend quality time. We engage ourselves in some activities, right? And if you're talking about such a person, you can use the word here critic. Who is a critic? My brother is my critic, best critic. Critic is somebody who knows everything about you, but still that person is not, I mean, that person is going to tell you good about yourself and the bad things also about yourself, right? So you can use this for your family members and for your friend also. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, who is the next one?
Okay, now Jyotika can do.
Yes, sir. My topic is second one, the important journey that was delayed.
Okay.
The important journey that was delayed was my school trip. We have to travel from Delhi to Jaipur to see the historical places which we read in the books. I was very excited to visit those places, but the day which was scheduled became the rainy day and delayed our traveling for 4 hours. Continuously raining for 4 hours makes the road trip like rivers, roads like rivers, and buses can't make it on the roads, which delayed more. So at the end, our trip got cancelled because weather news predicted it gonna be heavy rain for next 5 days.
Okay, that gonna be. What is gonna be? It's a slang. It's going to
Yes.
be, right?
Okay.
Deleted. So it was really. So what happened and what caused the delay you mentioned, right? The downpour also. Instead of
Down.
saying rain
Okay.
and rain again, downpour, right? So that entirely
Yes, ma'am.
spoiled your mood, right? Because you were looking forward to reach that place or reach that destination, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Who is the next one? Who's going to speak next?
Okay,
Anybody's left?
Kanika.
Ma'am, I can.
Okay, please go ahead.
So I have taken the second topic.
Okay.
Okay,
So the journey I wanted to take was to attend my cousin's wedding that happened a
okay,
few years ago, and we shared a very good bond. So
okay,
I made my plans beforehand, but that did not happen the way I planned,
okay,
because for that very duration, my presence was required at my workplace. There was an inspection to take place, and I was supposed to attend that. So I
okay,
had to delay my plans, and I then attended her wedding on her wedding day only, the same day. But at least I managed to be there on her important day.
okay. And what are your points here? Why it was important? Why that thing was important for you?
Because it was a wedding day.
Because she must be really special to you,
Yes, yes,
right?
yes.
So you didn't want it. So here you can use this word dilemma. What is dilemma? When you have to,
Confusion.
yes, when you want to attend that thing, also go for that, but your work is also important. So you were in a dilemma, right? But somehow you managed to reach her wedding, but on the very same day, right? So you tried
Yes,
to
ma'am.
explain to her also why it happened, right? So you had to meet your deadlines. See, you have to use what you said was correct. I'm not saying that. You have to use some lexical resource here, right? So you can say dilemma. I was in a dilemma, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else who's left?
I think all are done.
Yes.
So let's wind up the session today. Okay. Thank you everyone for attending today's session. Tomorrow there will be a writing session. So let's catch up at the writing session. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Till that, have a great evening. Thank you everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you
Okay.
sir.
so much.
Thank you. Right. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Bye bye.
Yes.
Sir, I'll be sending you one of the reports for writing task one.
Okay.
So would you please evaluate it?
Sure. You just send it across.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay,
Take care.
one
Okay,
more
Rishi.
thing for everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Whatever you want to send, you can send on my mobile number. Okay, I'll be sharing it with ma'am. Okay, so my mobile would be the one number which will be used for communication. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Okay.